I have quite long, thick, wavy hair, and most of the hair routines, like wavy curly hair routines on the internet, are quite expensive or high maintenance. They take a lot of effort and time and money. Effort, time, and money that I do not have. I do not have the patience for it. I do not have the finances for it. Hope you enjoy. Here's how I maintain my hair. Hi. Before I get to my hair routine, a quick little hair history, a hair story.
Who's the baddest bitch in her street? Well, who am I to judge?
When I fresh out of the womb, I was bald, obviously. But aside from that, I had really short, slightly curly hair. It wasn't like long enough to tell if it was like straight or curly, but like there was a little bit of a curl going on, I would say. And then it got to like a middle length, and that's when like the curls were really showing. There were like actual coils, you know? Suddenly, out of nowhere, I don't know when this happened, like I have a strong feeling it's because my mom cut my hair. But after my mom cut my hair, my hair just became like pin straight. Just again straight. My hair was straight. My hair was pins like really straight until I'd say like until grade 4, like late elementary school, which is when I moved from Dubai to the Philippines. And then at some point, like I was staying in the Philippines for like a year, my hair became frizzy. It became really curly, it became really wavy, it became frizzy, really frizzy. Like, it was wavy, but not in a cute way. It was not cute. It really was unmanageable. So most of the time I would either like ask my grandmother to braid it, or like I would have it up in a ponytail. It was more manageable because of the Philippines' Eurocentric beauty standards. Straight hair at the time was the more desirable choice. And at that time, like almost everybody was getting their hair rebonded. So I caved and I rebonded my hair as well. So for a couple years, my hair was pin straight. I would get like my hair rebonded every couple months, like 2 to 3 times a year for 4 years. You do the math on that. Whenever my hair would grow out, I would get it rebonded again. My hair was so damn damaged, when I tell you. And then at some point, I was like, my hair can't handle this anymore. Ayoko na, I can't do this anymore. I decided to like grow out my natural curly hair. And at some point, it was like half of my hair was curly and my roots were curly, my ends were straight, dead straight. It did not look that cute most of the time. So usually I would have it up in a ponytail while like the growing out process was happening. And then came a time, a wonderful time, when my hair was like finally long enough to the point where I could like trim the rebonded ends of my hair, and I had full wavy, I had like a full hair wavy moment. And yeah, that was the story with my hair, and I will teach you how I manage it today. First, on washing my hair, I just washed my hair. I'm kidding. No, I just damped my hair. I just damped my hair with like a spray bottle like this. First, with washing my hair, I wash my hair every day. Other people like on the internet say like if you have like curly hair, you can go like days without washing it. I cannot. It is way too hot and humid and sweaty in the Philippines right now. I can't. The grease, I can't. Everything is greasy. I'll show you the shampoo I use. This is the shampoo I use. It says shampoo. So this is just like a fancy bottle that my mom put shampoo in, but this is actually just Head and Shoulders, not sponsored, by the way. This is probably the only product that I will be showing in this video. I use Head and Shoulders because like back then I used to have a lot of dandruff. So as a means to like prevent getting like a lot of dandruff again, I just use Head and Shoulders. I'm pretty sure whatever shampoo you're using right now is fine. Like whatever inexpensive shampoo you're using will be fine. It mainly has to do with the styling, okay, which I'll show later. Along with using shampoo, I use a scalp massager. It's all yellow right now, which is kind of gross, but like it's fine. It does the job. and it's clean. It's always in shampoo, obviously, but like it works. I use this like while I'm shampooing. Make sure to only use like shampoo on the scalp. Don't put shampoo on your ends, because that does nothing. Put it on the scalp where where it produces oil. Yeah, I use this to get the shampoo all up in there. If you have like a dry scalp and stuff like that, like dandruff, great. This will scrape it off. I used to have really I forgot, like I used to have like a lot of dead skin on my scalp, and this like scraped it right off. So if you have the same problem as me, get one of these. It's really good for like making your hair grow faster, because it like increases blood flow to the scalp, and it's also really relaxing. But if you don't have it, it's fine. I'm not sure if it makes that big of a difference. Like using your fingers will be fine. Oh, with washing, I do not use conditioner first, because I feel like any conditioner that I've used like weighs down the hair, and the only ones that are actually good, they're quite expensive. So I just don't use conditioner because I don't think it made that much of a difference to my hair. I get acne from conditioner, so yeah, I don't use conditioner at all, just shampoo. When I'm done like washing my hair and stuff like that, I wrap my hair in a towel, and then while it's in a towel, like I do my skincare, and then I put like lotion and stuff like that. So that's pretty much it with washing. Pretty easy, I would say. But here's the main part, the styling that I do. Okay, this is my hair right now while it's wet. It's slightly damp. I'll like wet it a little bit more to like show. Usually like when you just come out of the shower, like your hair is like a little bit damp, and you like just took it out of the towel, like it'd be like this damp, okay? But if ever like my hair is very like messy and very frizzy, I usually just use the spray bottle to like form the curls again. You'll get what I mean later. With styling, while your hair is damp, with wavy hair or like curly hair, the only time you can actually like brush or comb it is while it's wet. For my hair specifically, what caused all of the frizz was using this brush, like a paddle brush. What really helped me was using like this wide tooth comb. You're just using a wide tooth comb to like reduce all of the frizz. Okay, so this is the key part. Like I part my hair into two on my middle part. I split my hair into two pieces. It doesn't have to be perfect like that. And then what I do is I tuck my hair behind my ears, and then I twist both of these sides. You can like brush it out a bit more if it's still a little bit tangled. But yeah, 2 twists on each side. I keep on forgetting to say waves instead of curls, because I just use them interchangeably. So the curly hair police, please don't come for me. I've seen other people like do it individually for each individual curl. I don't have time for that. I don't have time for that. So this is mainly what I do. And the key, so that like my side bangs or like my face framing layers is nice, I bring them out a little bit like this. So like they're like nice and voluminous when I take them out. So yeah. And then I let it air dry like this. Just like this. So if ever I like go out, like I would like get dressed, put on my makeup, and then I'll leave my hair like this, and then while I'm in the car it will like air dry. And usually by the time I arrive at the destination, it's dry, or like dry enough, I guess, to the point where like it will form. So I just like leave it like this. So if ever you see me, like I just came out of the shower and I look like this, I look like Peppy Longstocking, it's because like this is the beautification process. I look like Wednesday Addams. To the curly hair police saying, oh, you're faking your curls, or like anybody saying like, oh, you're faking your curls, if you have to twist them like that, you don't actually have curly hair. If I don't put them in like twists like this, I guarantee you it will be like a really frizzy mess. This helps like form a nicer curl. I'll be back once my hair is dry so I can show you the final product. Okay, so it's been like a little while now. My hair is still a little bit damp. Preferably, I would like it to be like drier, a little bit drier than this, but I really want to go to sleep. It's 12 right now. I'm sleepy. In these cases, like I'll take it apart slowly, like to where like the curls are so formed. Usually it would be like more wavy than this though. If you look at my IG, that's how my hair usually looks. And then like I fluff it up at the roots so that there's volume. And here's how it would look. It would usually look slightly more wavy than this, honestly speaking. But this is like usually like when I get out of the car, I usually like do this really quickly and I just like leave it. Anyway, so that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching me yap about my hair. This was a requested video. Somebody commented this on one of my previous videos, like do a hair care routine. So here it is. So if ever you guys have any other suggestions for videos, I will be more than happy to hear about them. Comment them down below. Wow, that's so YouTuber. Oh my gosh. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. And bye bye, people of this universe.